Alright, so I'm doing a quick review demo of this app, Soundslice. This is a jazz exercise that I tried uploading to Smart Score 64. The company I work for, Piano Marvel, we have access to the full version, which does, symphonic stuff, and it works pretty darn well. But for some reason, this relatively easy, notation-wise, thing wasn't getting done well. So I actually looked at some other apps and literally nothing worked. But then I just got told about this app today and it blew my mind. It had a couple questions like, is this a bar line? Is there an articulation here? And then literally not one note wrong. So pretty impressed so far. What I want to do right now is we're going to just show how this process works. So try for free. I've used one of my 2 trials, uploads this month. You can see their paid plans, 25 pages per scan, only 1 page per scan. So I'm going to give it the most insane, and I've been studying this piece recently, and this is the hardest piece I can think of that I know, and then I'll be able to see if they got it right or not. So we're gonna just try to destroy this app. Now this is a very, very popular piece, so maybe not a great idea, but it's a nice stress test for how legit is this thing. I'm kind of excited. Rachmaninoff. Prelude in C sharp minor. Major would be interesting. Now, as you saw, this PDF is nothing to write home about. Probably from the 19th century, maybe from the 20th century. I should probably know that. Now, we do have to wait. I do not know how long. Oh my gosh, we are ready to review. All right, here it is. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, what note is that? That's a C. So I guess I just say C. Okay, this is potentially a problem. I'm just going to say that for now, because I don't think I can go. Oh! So I'm reviewing it for the AI. So I think this thing is literally getting smarter as I go. Like, it's like filling stuff out. This is like a music theory test, I feel like. I bet it gives me more. Does anyone want to bet? I bet it's going to give me more questions. Yes! If you bet me, you lost. Dude, there's a lot of questions. I feel like I'm getting a deep dive into this piece. Okay, that's fast. All right, we're just going to have to go fast. This is literally revolutionary and changing my life right now. Okay. Just so we can get an apples to apples of Smart Score 64. Nothing like starting off the piece wrong. The freaking pickety third at the end. All right, I think that is